Now I'd like to manually clean the brew head with you. Although LIGRE youn has a guided automated brew group cleaning, it's still important to occasionally clean the brew head manually. To do this, remove the portafilter. The portafilter should be cleaned separately. There are two ways to remove the shower screen. You can either use the blind filter that comes with the machine or a stainless steel spoon to remove the shower screen. I use the blind filter. It's slightly easier with the spoon. Position the blind filter underneath and pry the shower screen out. Now you can see that even though we haven't used this LIGRE youn much yet, some coffee grounds always accumulate. We now want to clean this manually. For this, I remove the O-ring and clean both parts with water. Now I have cleaned the shower screen and have two parts, the O-ring and the shower screen. Please take the rounded side and slide it over the shower screen. If we do it the other way around, a small edge will form. We want to avoid this, so please make sure it is inserted correctly. After cleaning the shower screen, I use a brush to clean the brew head further. Then I take a soft cloth. Now the brew head is thoroughly cleaned. I reinsert the shower screen with the O-ring, replace the regular filter with a blind filter, insert the portafilter as usual, and lock it in. Now the shower screen and O-ring are back in position. I remove the blind filter. Insert the standard filter again, lock in the portafilter, and the manual brew head cleaning is complete.